that. Do
Cool.
that.
Welcome back, guys. This is a new day, another episode of Build, Break, and Fix. Yesterday we held our usual 1 hour stream. We talked about fixing the particular error which we were getting, which was the get particular note error. Um, Turns out after the stream we did end up fixing it. So now today, first aim to demonstrate how to do it. And secondly, I think create a note would be a realistic aim. What do you say, Zen?
So we've already created a note. So today
Right.
we're gonna be explaining what I think, or what at least we think might be the problem for the code not working. But as soon as we have done that, I aim to finish delete a note and update a note. So
Right. Okay. Do you have
yeah.
a few for StreamYard?
Yes, so we need to do that as well. So this is a um just to highlight that the sponsor for this video is StreamYard, and they are a online streaming tool, really easy to use, and you can record your sessions on multiple destinations. For example, um, Facebook, YouTube, Periscope, LinkedIn, Twitch, yeah. So,
Right.
and you can also add any custom RM RTMP, which I believe from Common Sense it stands for Real Time Media Player.
Yeah. Nice.
Cool. So now that that's done, we'll move on to our target for today.
Okay. Well,
We
so let's start with demonstration of what
Yeah,
happened yesterday.
yes.
Nice.
So I'll just do this workspace, and then the thing was Crumbler app,
Yep.
and then we are gonna just open it in VS Code. Brilliant. So I don't need that terminal, so let's get rid of that. And I've got my Postman over here anyway, so let's get that out of the way too.
Would you mind
Right.
sending me the VS Code link as well?
Yeah. I'm just waiting for VS Code to actually start up, because
Okay.
apparently it take a bit of a while
Yeah.
to start, and I'll zoom in the meanwhile.
There
Come
you
on,
go.
dude, come on.
I'm drinking tea, by the way, if someone's wondering. Just normal black tea.
Which one? Ah, black tea.
Yeah.
I'm a huge fan of English breakfast. I love that.
Oh yeah, that's true. I mean, they're probably the best ones. It's just black tea with milk. Like that's
I think that's a healthy one, to be honest.
that's true.
All right. Where's my? Is that the one? I think they have probably. No, this is not the one. This is the containers. I think that might be the one for remote access.
Wait, no.
This one?
What? Okay, 1 second. I don't think it's
Yeah.
here. Just go to extensions and maybe reinstall it.
Uh, this is still playing
That,
up, so I think I'd have to wait for this one to
yep.
finish. Come on, don't need you. Remote Explorer. Yeah, that's definitely not the one.
Hmm.
remote.
Oh, there it is. I
Ah,
can see
here
it
we
now.
go. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, true.
That was it.
Share. There you go. And as soon as the link comes up, I will.
Radio. We have our first viewer.
Brilliant. Come on, VS Code. We don't have the entire Nile. We need to accomplish our target as well. Help us out. There we go. It listens. That's
Time
good.
to get a new Mac.
Huh?
Time to get a new Mac.
I think so, yeah. There you
Cool.
go. I've sent it to you on private chat.
Yeah.
All right, cool. So I'm just gonna demonstrate really quickly opening up my AWS Online,
Mm-hmm.
and we can just demonstrate there because I don't, no point of doing it locally because it's
That's true.
already working on the AWS Online.
So did you try pushing it? Sorry, deploying it?
Yes, yes,
Oh,
I already did the test last night and I pushed the code as well.
nice.
You
Let's
should
see.
be able to take it from the GitHub, and if you can, do you know the GitHub repo or not?
Yeah, I do. I do.
Okay, if you can just post it on not post it
Yeah.
in the comments for people if they are interested in checking it out.
You
Right,
made the
cool.
last update 22 hours ago. Is that the one?
2 hours ago, what do you mean?
22 hours ago, you made the last commit.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
There we go.
That was the last comment. Uh, you know what? I was thinking it would be a pretty good idea if we can, you know how it says create the title for the broadcast?
Yep.
We might actually might be a good idea to actually include what we plan to do in that broadcast in that session.
Oh, right. Okay. Today. Oh,
Mm.
oh. I thought you were talking about the code. I was like,
No,
oh,
no, 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 no. It's happy. I'm fully working. We are not touching the code.
yeah.
I've requested to join the SEP read and write. Okay, I've given you read and write access. Whatever
Mhm.
you do not do the root remove RF command,
I
please.
actually forgot the command. Thanks for reminding.
Oh. Right, I'm gonna give you that terminal access as well. How was it supposed to be done? Share terminal. So you read and only.
I
Do
think
you
this
have the
is probably.
terminal access?
Wait, I'm just changing the title.
Call there, no. Share server. No, no, no. F1. Ah, here we go. Share terminal.
What was I gonna
Share
say?
terminal. Read
Oh
and
yeah, I was
write.
gonna say. I've came up with a thumbnail thingy. So now we,
Thumbnail.
yeah, thumbnail for
Ah,
our
okay.
upload videos.
Yeah.
So now we can write on the videos, like what we did that day rather than like on in the title as well, like a short description. I'll let you know how it is. Um, but it'll turn out good.
That's phenomenal.
Cool. I got the access.
Brilliant. So I'm just gonna actually, why am I doing it this way? Ah, I don't have anything saved here. Cool, that's fine. Collections, no. APIs, haven't got any addresses here. Recently closed. I might just get something from here.
Hmm.
No, nothing. Okay, I'm gonna have to do it that old way.
What's the old way?
Uh, Doing million clicks to get the endpoint URL and then copying and pasting it in browser and then doing doing that
Wait,
because I thought that it all had saved my session here, but apparently not.
and I'm seeing if I have it in my Postman, but apparently not. So come on, it can't take that many clicks. Okay,
Thing
it probably
is,
does.
it's
There you
just
go.
it's just a bit slow as well, and it's
Hmm.
either the internet. I don't think it's my Mac because I've been working on it, and if I don't really actually stream on it, it's
Yeah,
fine. As in, it's blazing fast.
that's
But
true.
yeah,
I'm pretty sure
right.
my speed is kind
hmm
of slower right now because we are streaming. Yeah, I'm
Yeah,
getting
yeah.
less speed.
Hmm. Okay, so this is it. Let's get this actually. Which one? See, I don't like doing testing in the browser. It's just really
I for me that extension is working so good. I actually want to show you.
God
I'll show
knows
you
what's
today.
happened to mine.
Wait, can you give me the
God knows.
link?
Yeah.
To this? Got it. You know, test it on my.
Mm-hmm.
I'll
You're
share
gonna
my screen.
share screen? Cool.
Yeah, let's do that.
Do that. Mm-hmm. I'll stop sharing mine.
Yeah, did that
Okay.
work?
Yeah. I can see yours. Oh, why is
I told
mine
you it
isn't working?
was so good.
Look at that.
Yeah, and
This
I don't
is
know
really organized and stuff.
I don't know which extension it is. It's probably one of these two. That's all I have.
JSON formatter. Which one have I got? Hang on,
And this
extensions.
one's off. So the one which let me get the um
Reload to use this extension. Okay. Uh-huh. Don't
oops.
think I even have that. Ah, it's here. Ah, but it's saying
We have it.
off.
Oh,
Right. It said
then
off. Ah, here we go. Here we
it
go.
works.
I can see mine. Yeah, it was turned off for some reason.
Nice. Okay. I'll still continue with the testing, I guess.
Mm-hmm. Yeah,
So what
do
are
the
we testing
testing.
to get a particular?
So we're testing to get a particular note. Yeah,
Okay.
that's all. Yeah, board.
Uh, are you sure this is what it meant? Okay.
Have we done forward slash and then that? Yeah. Now note and then the ID of it. The note
Okay.
ID.
It's 228. Okay. That's fine. That's fine. Also, why is there like this two returns?
This is interesting. This is not supposed to be in that way. Hang on, I'm gonna test on
Yep.
my one and see what's my one giving me.
It's returning it twice, like everything.
Uh, note on
Okay, no, it's working. It's working. But
hmm,
I that's interesting. Mhm. Hmm.
board stream is fun. Why is your coming up as two?
I have no idea. I need to.
How about if you hard refresh it, as in Command Shift R? Think it might be something to do with the caching as well.
Yeah, I open a new browser windows.
Incognito? Yeah.
Okay, I'll open incognito, I guess. Okay, that thing doesn't work on incognito, but it's fine. Is it giving me twice? That's what I wanna see. Okay, it's only once. That's good.
Board should be
Um,
once.
yeah, there's once. Would note. Okay, let's get this one.
Not no. Right.
Something wrong. I'll try it
Why is it
again.
not work? I thought it was working, or might have. Hang on a minute.
The problem is it's working in the normal Google tab. Oh, okay. That was just to prove my point.
No, no, something is still wrong. I think.
There's no consistency right now for sure.
Yeah, cause it shouldn't doing that way.
Wait, wait,
Hang on a
wait.
minute.
Could it be? I think it's the formatter doing the thing. Let me just turn it off.
It doesn't work because I mean, not that it doesn't work because it's not working apparently, and I must have. I don't know how did I, but I tested it last night. It was working, and that's why I just shifted the code in. This is
Right.
interesting. Hang on a minute. I'm gonna go to Lambda logs and see
Okay.
what it says there.
Mm-hmm. Cool. So what do we have here? Just one thing, Zen. Is my screen too small?
Um, to be honest, even if it's not, I'm seeing it on my Mac screen, so it must be,
Uh,
as in, yes, small regardless.
hmm, makes sense.
Alright, I'm gonna check the logs of Lambda.
Yep.
I don't know why did it work last night then, and it isn't working now.
Isn't this the classic example of like when you leave your code on Friday and Monday morning it doesn't work? And senior devs are
Hey,
like, "You told me it works."
hey, and you should feel really embarrassed that I tested it on Friday.
I know,
It was
right?
working, and I felt really happy that I went out and did a bit of a party with my mates because the code was working. And now,
It's like literally all my assignments as well. Like it works on my computer, but 2 hours later on the tutor's computer it won't work.
yeah, yeah. I've been there, done that many times. And this is just plus one now.
That's true.
All right,
Okay.
do you want me to share my screen now? Or
Yes.
you're good with that one?
I don't mind. We can do anything. It's up to
Because
you.
I wanna walk us through
Yeah.
solving it properly.
Yeah.
Hang
You
on
you were
there.
doing this controller, so it's better that you get us through it.
Yeah, cool. So I'll share mine. There you go. So our function is this one here, Scramble API I21 IWKTM, and this is our 20th of July. See, it doesn't have any error.
Okay. Now it doesn't work. Wait. What time was it? Try around 9:48.
9:48.
Yeah.
Yeah,
These
here.
are the last
Here.
ones.
Yeah, because if there was error, you would have gone a bit of an awkward response in the middle. But then none of the awkward responses there.
Okay. It's official. AWS is going down.
Honestly, I am pretty sure they was working, and that was the only reason why I even checked in the code. Hang on. I'll test it one more time and see if I am actually messing up somewhere. Prod
Yeah.
board. I'll just zoom in a bit so
That's fine, I guess.
it's easier to see.
Yeah.
Ah, that's way too much. Okay, board.
Hmm.
Okay, I need all the boards from my DynamoDB.
Right.
Don't need these. How can I get rid of this? Yeah, perfect. Okay, so this is the board. Right, cool. Now I get this ID with a note, and then this note here. Streaming is fun. Okay, note, no ID, cool, and get.
What'd you
Honestly,
get? What'd you get?
no, it's not working still. I'm. Let's just go back a step.
Interesting.
This is really interesting, honestly. As in, I made sure that it works last night and then I checked in the code. Simple. 1948.
Maybe you should have done it on stream. Now people won't believe you.
Exactly my point. So we can't we can't move on
That's
until
true.
this is fixed
People
on
think we're
stream.
lying.
Yeah. Well, I don't really blame them because if I was the viewer, I would do the same. As in, it's
Yeah,
not working means it didn't work. Simple.
that's true. But it's fine. Damn,
This
this
is
error
really
is taken.
fascinating.
Yeah.
Create a new board. Um, so it was this one here. Get specific note. Board ID. Uh-huh. Board items note. Actually, you know what? I might hard refresh my browser and then check it.
Okay, for that matter, I'll check it on my phone.
Mm-hmm.
See.
Okay. It's official. It doesn't work.
You reckon?
Yeah, it's official because no matter how many times we're trying it, we're getting the same output, so which is wrong. So that's what I think is happening, but it's not really giving us any error. JSON internal server error.
I mean, it's a 503 error, so this means it,
503.
it yeah, it's not available. And 503 is kind of not good in the sense that 502 was easier to deal with at least. It was an invalid
Oh, hang
response.
on. I think it's complaining about the ID.
What's up with that?
Failed to load the resource. This resource 20. Let me just go into my DynamoDB and check even if it's there. Actually,
Yeah,
should be there because it shows us, isn't it?
yeah, but could that be in the cache?
In the cache. Ah, uh-huh. Interesting.
Wow.
See the board itself? That doesn't work either now. So I'm pretty
No.
sure it's not something to do with the code.
Can you send this link to me? The exact link on your Postman? I literally just got the board. Well, that's weird. Yep.
Wow.
Uh, AWS is officially down, guys.
Oh, so it's not fetching it either?
Nah. And I'm not wearing any AWS hoodies. So, but if it's not working and we can't do anything, maybe what do you think we should do?
What we can do is because I am kind of pretty sure that the code was working, and the
Do you
fact
want to test
that,
it?
huh?
Do you want to test it locally first?
Um, well, look.
I mean, I get your point that the code is working for sure.
All right. Let's because what I was gonna say there, instead of wasting more time on this, because I am actually pretty sure that the code is working because I tested it last night.
Hmm?
For now, and the
Yeah.
fact that it's not even bringing up the board, that one. Um, what we can do is we can move on with the other two methods
Uh-huh.
and then come back to this one.
Yeah, that makes
What
sense.
do you reckon?
Yeah, 100%. I just think that that wasn't the board ID, that was the note ID which you pasted. So that's the reason it didn't give you. That's the third notes ID. If you copy that
Ah.
and get all the boards, just copy that. I mean, actually,
Uh-huh.
cut that. We don't need that
Uh-huh.
there.
and
and
get the
get,
boards.
yeah. If you look at the third node's ID, that's the thingy which you
Third
had.
no ID was, which one was it? A63, A63. Ah,
That's right.
okay, cool. Yeah, probably. So what we can do is
Put the board ID.
paste. Ah, thanks for keeping me on track, man.
Okay.
Uh,
Let's try getting
and
this first.
then this actually, yeah, that's true. Let's see when get cannot get bored. Ah, right, my bad. I inserted two
Oh,
slashes.
you're giving me mini heart attacks. Okay.
Okay, and then we go with this
Yep.
note, and then a note D5, D5, 228, 228. Cool. Let's have a look.
Okay. I have a feeling that it's working for the. Give me 1 second. I'll have a look. Um, got the node, got the board, and yeah, it's working only for the first node. Try it.
So it's only working for the first note.
Yeah.
Yes. I think that
You
might
must
have
have
been
tested
the
it for
one,
the first node. That's why.
probably. Hmm.
And it's not working
Two,
for
six.
any others.
Any other ones?
No.
Right. We will. In that case, we will go back and have to revisit the code.
Yeah.
Cool. All right. Now that
Yo,
we know that the root of the problem, as
yeah.
in not the root of the problem, as in where
There's
was
a
the
bug.
problem coming from, there was a
Yeah.
bug, in short.
Yeah.
Okay, so all I did was this, and I'm displaying that that one afterwards. Actually, I will set up
1 second.
DynamoDB.
I'll just get some water. Give me 1 second.
Um, me too as well, actually.
Cool, I'm back, guys. Looks like this DynamoDB error is not gonna let it go. Just waiting for Zain to come and. Cool, there
All
he is.
right.
There's no one to remind about the water in the gullet.
Yeah, yeah, I was thinking about it as well.
1 second, I'll have a look in the Twitch chat.
DynamoDB local latest.
Nope, nothing there.
And then we need to run that command. There we go. That, that's our DB up and running. And now just do um install the tables. Okay, good thing table is still there.
Mm-hmm. That's true.
So now what we need to do is, what did we need to do? Yeah, do that. CD Scrambler API. Actually, not that one. Ah, it was that. My bad. Node app.js.
Even I get a bit confused with the names when I open
Yeah.
the
Hmm.
repo.
I think that's why it's a really good practice to give them meaningful names.
Mm, that's true.
Why isn't this working? Ah, okay, cool. Because I've commented this out.
Yay.
Okay, do that, and now it should work. Perfect. Now I need my. Actually, I'm not gonna close that tab now.
Good idea.
To HTTP localhost. I've already got the boards. I don't think I have. No, I don't have them. Board. Ah, okay, cool. That's fine. There was a missing thing there.
What's that?
Ah, there was a missing. Um, I forgot to point it to the appropriate um endpoint. I need to do that. App.ts. Um, do you know what's the difference between JavaScript and TypeScript?
Um, I think TypeScript is more of a like object oriented rather than JavaScript is kind of like a scripting language, if that makes sense.
Okay, cool.
Yeah. But people prefer JS these days because
Yeah.
um, TypeScript came out earlier, and I mean, it's not. I won't say it's trivial. It's just that
Mm-hmm.
it's easier to code in a scripting language. I mean, it has its plus. A lot of people hire people for TypeScript as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So,
True that. Okay, let's do that.
do you ever try to get on any competitive coding platforms? In
No,
no,
no.
me too. Non-existent.
Can no table. I swear. Ah, okay, cool. I forgot to change the table name as well.
All right. Yeah. Isn't that single columns? Sorry, single.
Uh, doesn't
Don't
really
think
matter.
that.
Yeah.
Yeah. Scripting language. Okay,
One.
that's fine,
Okay.
right?
Yeah, but for usability and from the user perspective, I don't really want to see one here. I'm like, what do you mean one?
We can just return the board right
I
now.
know, I know. I was just joking, as
Right.
in a jokey manner.
Hmm.
All right, get the board. Cool, that's fine. So we have it's okay. Now that one
Wait,
board
wait, one sec.
note.
So we didn't actually post a board right now. This is a previous board.
We
Oh, we
did.
did. Never mind. Didn't see
Yeah.
that.
Okay, and then I'm gonna try and get this. Actually, first one is working.
Hmm.
I'm gonna try and get the second one.
I think that's the last one. Okay, that's again the infinite thing.
Let me just check the first one.
That's the
If
second one.
that's is it? That's the
Oh,
first one.
oh, sorry, my bad.
There you go. CC7EF, cool. What does this give us? This is pretty fascinating. That is
Annoying
one loop, but it's behaving differently for different items. Alright.
I think we have had
Hmm?
this thing before. I remember somewhere. I remember we have had this thing before that it was only returning the first item.
Ah, right, I see.
Hmm.
In that case, if not just that one, then give this, and
All
then
right.
this
Another
is that
note.
one, and then if is that one, then try and catch. Actually,
Um,
how about if I take this one out of the if?
one sec. Then, what does the if condition mean? Can you look at the if
If
condition? So it says board items at the rate note dot board notes at the rate note again.
where's at the rate?
I mean, like, you know what I mean with the parentheses, not the parentheses,
Oh,
square bracket.
square brackets.
Yeah.
Okay.
Um, so it says board items at note dot board notes
Board.
at note again.
So this is the note, current note. Ah, I see. So it's already in.
That's why it's working for only the first one as well. But you kind
Hang
of
on.
get what I mean, right?
So basically, what this is saying that go in the particular board and then in
Mhm.
its items and then get the first one and then in the
Yeah,
first one there's board underscore notes
yeah.
and then go in that first one and then get the no underscore ID. And if that
Mm.
matches, then come in everything.
I think it should be board items dot board notes. What do you think?
Let's
Instead
try
of this.
that, and I think you might be right
Yeah, let's have a
because
look.
board underscore notes is an array in itself,
Yep.
and items is a total as an object. No,
Yep.
items is an array as well. Alright, let's try this anyway, because it won't. really hurt us to try at all. And you might
Well,
even be right.
can you, before we try this, can you go to again? Actually, never mind. We can't do
Mm-hmm.
anything. Now, I just wanted to see the structure of the board, but I think let's try it. Let's try it. You're right.
Mm-hmm. So I'll do this one. Get. So this is the board itself. Items.
Item, okay, and then
And
board
then
nodes.
board. So
Yeah,
my
I think
the
that's
reason why I placed square brackets and then note in there because it was the first index.
right. But if actually
Let's see.
items is an array as well,
Yeah.
it contains of two things. Actually, let's try this. Actually, I don't wanna.
Mm-hmm.
Not the first one.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Let's go step by step in troubleshooting. So second one,
Sorry.
right? It's
Okay.
the for loop thing that's causing a problem.
I think the try
That
should be
one
outside the for loop first of all. Is it inside? Okay, yeah, that'll work as well.
break call if and then break it call.
Also, we have an error in the terminal, so that might help.
What's the error? Properties zero of undefined. Okay. I think it's saying properties zero because we are missing that thing there. But let's leave it. I'll try in that way for our peace of mind first.
Yeah. Um.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's try this. Let's try this. I just had a very non-programmer friendly thought that what if we just give item at the rate, I mean by at the rate I mean like one, because board notes is at the first place.
We can try hard coding it for testing, but I don't want to hard code in
Yeah,
indexes
yeah,
in
that's
the
true.
code.
Mm.
So we can try this one first, but I'm pretty sure it's not gonna work
Yeah,
because there's the
I mean
error there.
we can kind of hard code in C at least if that's the thing which is causing the
So
problem.
you're saying here
One, yeah. Is it one or
do
two? Should be one.
that would be
Hmm. No way.
this is
That's
that's
not right.
uh
You need to put zero and leave it as it is.
all right, cool, because this is what I had the note here for because it was the first index. That's
Hmm.
why in the first place.
Right.
Let's try it. If this doesn't work, then I've got feeling that I might have to put the try outside because I don't
Hmm.
really want to use the break statements. It's code smell.
Yeah. For some reason, none of our break statements have ever worked till now.
True. All right, do this and test it again. Any
Okay. Now
errors?
it's
Okay, that's not gonna work. I'm I'm gonna get rid of the break and
Mhm.
then bring the try outside the for loop.
Right.
This is for, that's for. There you go. Note params.
Or do you wanna put the thing in data and pass data instead?
I could do that, but it won't make any difference. In that way,
Yeah.
because what that's, let's see.
Yeah. We can just try things now.
Exactly. Trial and error.
Mm.
Okay, this one's there. Okay, so is that one's there.
Yeah,
So
it's,
see how it's got the empty object because of data? I would think so.
yeah.
How about if I remove this and put this one like it was? Because I just wanna do the note over there.
Can I make a change? If this
Mm-hmm.
doesn't, I'll just go in the code. One second.
Yeah. I'll stop it first and then you can do it.
Yeah.
I can tell you love break
Yeah.
statements.
I mean, that's the only thing which is kind of working right now.
Mhm.
Board note is a
Object.
yeah. Right. Okay. Just one more thing. Do we have another note here? I have a feeling this is giving it a problem. Can I name it just capital N?
You can, but according to best practices, that shouldn't happen. But yeah, for testing purposes, yeah, let's do it. Because it's only capitalized for the classes.
Yeah. I get what you mean. Oh yeah, yeah, that's true. I mean, not capital N. Maybe we'll do it notes or something. Let's just try this. Board items and 0 dot board notes and breaking at the if, so notes value is same. Right, yeah, that looks fine. Oopsies. What was that about? I'm confused. Zen, are you there?
Hmm? I'm here, yeah.
um what is this about? It's giving me
What?
unexpected identifier. I did let
Syntax
data.
error, doc client. That's fine. It must have just been lagging. That's all
Hmm.
really.
Okay.
Wanna build it?
You might have to go and test it because we need to show people.
Okay.
Oh yeah, I built it.
Ah, so both of us did it.
Yay.
Cool.
Yeah.
Okay. There we go.
Okay, now it's weird.
Okay. Okay, hang on a minute. This is items, and it's called the first one. So our actually our object starts from here, board ID. So items, and then the first one, and then board underscore notes. Hang on a minute. Gonna just do a quick one this time, just to ensure that it's not working. Get. Okay, perfect. That's fine. Okay, how about if we keep this structure here? So, can I get rid of your changes?
Yeah, yeah, sure. I can do a control Z and we can get back to where we were. Um, Stop me before it's too late. Okay, that's all I can get. So,
Okay, cool. So I'll do the rest just to ensure.
you gonna do.
Okay, so this one's there. Note.
Mhm.
That note. So I get the board items, and then I come in the first one, wherever that is, and then I
Yeah.
go into first one, and then I go into board underscore notes, get the index again, and then check if that index matches that one, then it's fine. Okay. And then do this, do this, do this. Actually, what I might do is keep the break there.
Mhm.
Then let table
Wait, then is it item or items?
items.
Okay.
Actually, what did we have up there in one of the things that it was working
Um, just do control
for?
F. There's somewhere one place we're using item.
Hang on. Table rows, items,
It's item.
item. No, is it item or items?
So if you come to the post of a board, which is line 84, come to line 84. That
Yeah.
post seems to be working when we are using item there, and rest of
Yes.
the places we're using items.
Yes. So when we post, we always have to use item because we are posting one
Oh, right.
item. So
Right.
that always happens when we do a post.
Right.
But other ones we have to do items.
Okay. That makes
So
sense.
let me just go back. Okay, this one was it. Items note items first index, so it will always be in the first index, which is fine. And
Hmm.
then so this note actually this might be in it. Board notes. Actually, I'm gonna try this fluke and see if this works.
Yep.
So board items, the first one is gone in, and then is done board underscore notes, and then the first one, and then it goes into note underscore ID. Cool. I'm gonna try this and see what happens.
Surely. Hmm. Let's see how it's coming along. Tomorrow is Steph Cup. Just a reminder.
Hey?
Tomorrow
Yeah.
morning is Steph.
That's fine. Okay, so get this board ID note, and I want to get the second note. Let's do an empty
Mhm.
array. Note. Actually, hang on. I'm gonna do this time.
Yep.
Data.
If this doesn't work, we
Oh,
can probably call it a night.
huh?
If this doesn't work, we can probably call it a night.
Oh, it's 10:30 already.
Yeah. Time flies.
Wow. Wow. I wasn't expecting it to
Today
be
was
that.
so quick. Today was really quick.
Okay, cool. I'm gonna
Yeah.
right. Let's continue this tomorrow morning. It's been 3 days for this
Yeah.
bug, and I'm gonna do whatever I can to fix it tomorrow. 100%. As in, I'm not even
Can I go ahead and post the
joking.
question on Stack Overflow now?
Yes, you can. Yeah, yeah,
Cool.
yeah. You can.
Just got the permission now.
Yeah. Yeah. All right, guys. This is it for today. So the fact that I said that it's working was because apparently I only tested it for the first one, and it does work for the first one, but it's not working for the others.
Yeah, I mean, even I saw
So
it. It was working. So
yeah. So I will go for tomorrow. Would 100% be to get this working because it's taking too much time on this step. And yeah, we'll see how we go tomorrow. Thanks a lot, Kay, for coming up again.
yeah,
I appreciate
100%.
all your help.
Cool. Thanks, guys. It was a good pleasure, and we'll probably continue this tomorrow and finish it. And I'll get to post my question today, so I'm happy.
Yeah.
Cool. See you guys tomorrow.
Perfect.
Good night, man.
Have a good night, guys. Cheers. Bye.
Cheers. Bye.